My friend Nadee shared this healthy, gluten-free, flourless red lentil bread recipe with me. It is high in fiber and protein with a hearty texture and a mild, nutty flavor. Here is the original recipe.
To make this nutritious and healthy red lentil bread, start by measuring out 1¼ cups or 250 grams of dry red lentils. Place them in a bowl and add enough water to cover them completely. Allow the lentils to soak for at least an hour or until they have softened. Once the lentils have soaked thoroughly, drain them well to remove any excess water and transfer them to a mixing bowl. Then, add ½ teaspoon of sea salt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a quarter cup or 30 grams of cornstarch, and a quarter cup or 20 grams of psyllium husk. If you like, add 1 teaspoon of curry powder for extra flavor. Then, add 3/4 cup or 200 milliliters of water and thoroughly mix all the ingredients. Then, scoop the mixture into a blender or food processor and blend for several minutes until you achieve a smooth and consistent batter, as you can see in the video here. Next, pour the batter into a loaf pan that you have greased or lined with parchment paper. Make sure the parchment paper overhangs the sides so it is easier to lift the bread out once it is baked. Use a spatula to smooth out the top so that the batter is spread evenly across the pan. This will help ensure the bread bakes evenly and rises nicely without any uneven spots. Bake this lentil bread at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 40 to 50 minutes. Test for dampness with a toothpick. Once the lentil bread has cooled a bit, slice it with a sharp knife and serve it with hummus, butter, or any of your favorite toppings.
If you liked this healthy and nutritious red lentil bread, then you will certainly like this ultimate low-carb 2-ingredient bread recipe here. Check it out now.